Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix something went wrong on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're seeing something went wrong problem on your Instagram, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to uninstall your Instagram app. Long press on this Instagram icon, then tap on delete. Then tap on uninstall. Then open the Play Store. Then search for Instagram. Tap to install. After completion of this installation, then go back. You have to not log in again. You have to just open the browser, then type here Instagram login. Then tap on login Instagram. Here it will show your Instagram account, that continue as. After that, you will see below, you can see here use the app. Just tap on this use the app option. Tap to open. It has been directly opened in the app. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix something went wrong issue on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.